Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can change the icon of the software which is developed by Tkinter. If you know already that when you develop the one software with the Tkinter, then it gives you one icon as a default. So I'm going to explain how you can customize the icon. If you are interested in this topic, stay with me. Let's get started. So, first of all, for the purpose of this demo, I selected one of my projects. So, if you are interested in this digital watch by Tkinter, you can watch my future video and then to see how it will be developed. But in this tutorial, just I'm focusing on how you can customize the icon. First, you would need to download the one icon with the file, the name ICO. Let me jump to the my file. Yeah, here you can see I downloaded from the internet one file as an ICO file. Then you need to drop it in this root directory, or you can provide the one folder or some other place. It's not too much different, but the point is that you would need, here you would need to define such this process as a root dot icon bitmap and then parentheses r, which is the raw string, and then quotation mark, and drop the name of, as you can see here, this is the icon file which is name is clock. So drop the name of that icon here, and if you drop the icon in the root directory, then you don't need to define the address here, but if it's in another folder which you made it, then definitely you have to define the folder name here as well. Then when I'm saving this one, and then if I want to, let me first let me run it again. Okay, now here you go. You can see this icon already showing at the top left side of this software, and so easy you can define your customized icon in your Tkinter software. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to like the button, and if you have any question, you can drop in the comments, and then definitely I will get back to you. Thank you again. See you in next one.